Hey, Matt with 911R on Brain Trailer Avant-Garde. We have this 87 G50 Carrera Coupe here, and I just want to kind of walk around and talk about it. This car is mostly all original paint. I will say that the hood, this fender, and this door have been painted. We did the work, so I know it was done. But coming around the car, we've gone over it with a paint meter, and most all the rest of the car is original paint. The car is really in beautiful condition. We have lots and lots of service documents on it. We have the service stamp book from Porsche for all the warranty and service work done at the dealer. Most all the stamps are filled out. You never see that type of stuff. This car is, has the appearance package, so it has the front splitter and the rear spoiler on it. 16-inch Fuchs with tires that were put on in 2021. Come around to the interior, it's got a beautiful black interior on the car. 70,000 miles or 75,000 miles roughly. The seats all look really good. The steering wheel's got great. It's got air conditioning. The AC blows cold. Just the headliner's nice in the car. The dash is good. There's no cracks in it. You're just not going to see any flaws there. Coming around to the back, you got a rear window wiper. Open this up. You can see the engine bay is nice and clean and proper. We did an oil change, a brake flush on it, replaced the drive belts on it, did spark plugs and cap and rotor on this car. So it's fully serviced, it's ready to go that way. Underside of this car is very clean. You can see it's, hasn't had any rough life. Just coming around this side, you can see in the passenger side, just a really great example of a G50 911. These are just what everybody seems to want and enjoy, and just a joy to drive. There we go. Coming around this way, you can see the front. Looks really nice. Air dam in the front, fog lights. So any questions, use the contact seller button, hit us up. If you're interested in having 911R sell a car for you on Bring a Trailer, use the contact seller button. We're happy to talk about it. And good luck, and thank you very much.